In this vlog, I'll be moving out of this apartment. So guys, fried rice is ready. I'm done with the laundry. See how my background is looking very dirty. I started with the washing machine.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
Some of the things
So nice, we time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, guys. Today is April, 1st of April, and I'm vlogging with my Android phone. Yeah, I really went to vlog with my iPhone, but at this point I don't have enough memory in it anymore. You know, iPhone storage space. So you guys should just forgive the image quality. I'll be vlogging with this phone throughout this month. I'm even keep vlogging with it until I can figure out something about my iPhone. But for that, for now, you guys know how I was so happy about my last month's results on both my YouTube, my this Kasia eating show channel, this Kasia corner, and my Kasia eating show, that's my mukbang channel. I was happy that in Kasia eating show, I went from 1,490 subscribers to 7,500 or 400 subscribers in 1 month. On this particular channel, I went from 160 subscribers to 2,000 subscribers the same March. So I was so happy that March came with the last 2 weeks have been so amazing for me. I'm also happy that March came with a lot of good news. It for me to wake up this morning in April and I'm seeing that YouTube will demonetize my channel. That is my other channel. At this point, I don't know what to do. Just keep get updated because I don't know. Finally, demonetize the channel, or if I'm just gonna. But guys, I can't do it again. I can't even start afresh and start building that channel anymore. I will just end up closing the channel for good. Because I've been on the channel for 3 years right now. I've done everything I have. I don't know what happened with just a small thing that I mistakenly used the title 3 times, and that was not even the title. I used the same pattern of title, and that's how they demonetized me. So if I appeal tonight and it's they don't demonetize my channel, I may end up closing the channel for good. But I can't. And they cut out. Watch how they cut out is much. They told me I can reapply on June. So I don't know if I reapply because they only cut me watch hour. They cut out over 2,000 something watch hour from my channel. I can't even do that. I can't even start afresh. I mean, I'll just leave the channel. I'll just let it go. Or delete the channel. Yeah. That's how I feel. You guys may see the video later. If I succeed in demonetizing it, I'll post on my podcast. For now, this is how I feel right now. Broken, disappointed, and down. After 3 years, first time I'm like finally going to earn a very good amount of money from YouTube from my YouTube paycheck. And wow, monetization. Good morning. This is a new day. This 2 days later. I told you guys that I was going to delete my channel, right? If don't demonetize my channel. And that was so YouTube was so strict. Oh my god, this platform is so strict, my god. I mean, they were like, if you delete this channel, every other channel you have in the future will be affected using this particular email. And we cannot monetize any of the other channel that is linked to this during this period of suspension. That means I cannot monetize this one. It was so tough, guys. I just made an appeal to them. It's here on this table. Give me a minute. Open your bottle. Oh, this boy is there. Okay. So I had to make an appeal to them. went an appeal, and thank God. Guys, the problem of monetization. Oh my God, you guys don't understand. I'm monetized again, guys. I also, yes, it was yesterday. I checked my email. I was in the market, and I was going through my phone, and I saw this on my in this, but I didn't believe I had to go to my history. So let me read it out for you guys. Hi, Kasia, it's a show. We're happy to share that your YouTube partner program appeal was successful, and your channel can now monetize again. Our team carefully reviewed both your content and your video appeal. Your appeal helped us to better understand how you create your videos, your content strategy, and your channel brand. Thanks for submitting an appeal and for your patience while we reviewed it. We realized this was an extra work for you, and we appreciate your help in improving our review processes. Thank you, YouTube team. Yeah. So guys, we are back again. Oh my God, this was so tough, and I'm still trying to figure that out. Jasper was wearing temperature throughout last night. Another one now. I started going to the market today. I didn't want to sleep well. But anyways, I'll let you guys know this is my officially. So since I'm in a good mood, welcome to my official moving vlog. In this vlog, I'll be moving out of this apartment. Let me just make it official to you guys. We are leaving this apartment into a newer apartment. Yeah, into a new place, into another location. Yes. Although that one costs an arm. Is it an arm on the leg? So it's quite expensive, but at least it's an estate, and it's okay. It's closer to my business place and all that. So we are leaving, and I'm excited. This is not going to be Easter. This was supposed to be Easter vlog. I'm not sure I'll be vlogging Easter day because I just I'm a vlog just a little on Easter day, but it's officially moving vlog. And this month September this month April, you guys will be getting a lot of vlog from me. At least 4 videos from me this April. I'm so sure of that. It's 4 videos this April. So stay tuned, including my podcast. So see you guys in the next frame. So guys, I just finished slicing the vegetables for the frying, so I'm gonna keep it when I come back from church. We'll start cooking. Yeah, I don't want this vlog to be too long, so this means my teary eyes after frying the onions. So let me go eat my pap and head to church. Yeah. So guys, I'm ready. This is me. See, the house is scattered, so this is me. I don't know how to keep this thing now. I'll keep you guys. See, this is me. Outfit, bag, and these are my long skirts. I wear this just. So this is the outfit. Nothing more. See my face. Let's go. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Let's make the fried rice. My kitchen is not that comfortable, so I may not film myself making it. When I'm done, I'll let you guys know. So guys, fried rice is ready. Why is camera making my fried rice look green now? It's not green, guys. Don't mind this my camera. I'm using my Android. Yeah. So we want to film a content, a family content. And yeah, that's it.
I was just complaining in Philadelphia about how cold it is and it's hot in Texas. I am in a good mood. I don't know if it's because my friend's baby is turning 1. I don't know if it's because I just am around family. I don't know. I feel good. Battery deluxe. Okay, the event center is also so pretty. Let's get going.
This is the hair here. I'm done. Relax.
No, this is not showing very good.
This is the.
Not showing very
You see? There's the front. And there's my length. You need to get to trim the hair. Did I trim? I didn't show you guys when I was done relaxing it. I don't relax my excuse just for it. I don't relax my tip. I only relax the roots. So that's why it's looking like this. I see the tip. You see how texture on it was. I didn't relax it at all. I don't let it relax and touch the tip. And this is my the breakage I have. Not much. Yeah.
You control any steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times
I forgot I was vlogging. The last clip you guys saw was me coming back from my house, right? My new house, yeah. That was the last clip you guys saw. It's been 2 days now and I haven't picked up this vlog. That's because I've been so busy reading for my exams. Although we went to paint the house yesterday, but I didn't take you guys along because I was like, what's the need? I was also in a hurry, and my voice will be echoing because it's raining outside right now. Heavy rain. I mean, it's raining cat and dog outside, so you guys may not hear me, and I'm not holding my microphone right now. So that's what's happening right now. And yeah, I went to paint the house yesterday, and before you guys see this vlog, I will do an empty apartment tour for you guys. You guys will see how the apartment looks like. So I've already painted it, so that's just it. So I was like, not of me showing you guys the process of the painting, so you guys see the apartment tour. So right now I want to do the laundry. I kept the laundry outside to do it. It's still raining. I don't even have a lot to pack. As you can see, we haven't removed the TV yet. See the TV? I don't think I can see it. Everywhere is dark. This TV, we haven't removed it in my room. We haven't seen everything is just there. Everybody just being lazy. I haven't even watched the curtain yet, so that's how bad it is. We are living here in 3 days time, and everything is just there. Guys, guess what? I'm done with the laundry. See how my background is looking very dirty. I'm done with the laundry. This is the amount of laundry I did. And this one Ella did yesterday. And it's been ready since yesterday. So, this is the point you guys have to agree that I actually need the washing machine. Yeah, I do. So, it's raining and it's like on the flash. Inside is dark. Mostly made a cup of Lipton tea, so let me just see if I can sip a little. It's hot.
Very good.
Just like I want it. Yeah.
Is it good?
It's good. Don't breathe. I'll be out there washing, and my body I'm feeling so cold right now, so I need that tea was highly needed. So I have a lot to do. Still want to wash the toilet and the rest of the things because I don't want to leave this house dirty. So people that are parking, they will say, oh, these people that let this house are dirty, so I want to just do some small cleanup. And this one is not helping issues. I finished fast too. I tried to finish washing this clothes very fast. I started around 11 and 12:30. I'm already done. So, want to say hi?
Hi. Hi.
Hi guys. So I'm going to school right now. I need to go to some places at school. From there, I'll be going to the new house, go do 1 or 2 to clean it up. Actually, that's usually for going there to go clean it up. Then maybe film the empty apartment tour for you guys, which you guys will see before this vlog. And you guys see a couple of videos before this vlog. This vlog should be around end of April, so that's it. So my outfit when I went to Port Harcourt only was I worked only once, and I'm wearing it again today. And this is my look: natural hair, giving, lips combo, perfect. Life is good. I'm in work mode. Oh my god! Once I left that house, I came to this place. I've not even picked up this vlog, and I forgot I was even vlogging. So that's it. We're still working. This past already, and this is how far we have come. Ella is washing this place. Yeah, I'm gonna put wallpaper around this side because the more you keep painting, the more it keeps falling off. So wallpaper. She's done with that side. Just went to pack the water and mop here also. And that's my tired face, hanging out. So go watch my apartment, empty apartment. But that's why I'll be doing the show you guys the full apartment, and that's it. Yeah, let me get back to work. Guys, this is how far we have come. This TV here is off. Yeah. And Ella just condemned this place by pulling out the wallpaper. So, TVs are here. We'll take these ones out first. And tomorrow we'll pack the rest. I will say bye-bye to a place I once called home. Yeah. I'm vibing. Stereo. Stereo. New day. I forgot to wear. I'm going to vlog itself. We're packing. I'm so busy. Woke up quite early and we're packing. And this is how far we've come. I removed my handbag. Let me see if I can put this to. Okay, it's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah, this one is out already. Yeah, I've packed. Moved Jasper's clothes from there, and I just have to put some of these stuff inside. I'll still clean this up. I'm still here to pack my my wigs are still here, and kitchen is quite empty. We've packed some things from the kitchen. Ella is washing them. I've packed some of the stuff here also. I also hope we finish on time before the movers come. The chair is still here. And Ella is here. I do have this. Anyway, this is my tired face here. Oh God, I'm so tired. I need to pee. This out. We have an empty room. Bye. Oh my God. This is the last of this. Always forgetting this. Bathroom. Bye. Room. Bye. This is how I'm wasting the time. See how this is. I think it's not coming out, imagine. I'll try to post it since the way I made. Bye. I'm still confident. Empty space. Place I once called my home. Say bye. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you all in my next video. Bye.